Let me see. Good morning, Asia. This is the China Open. You've tuned into the headquarters, alright? I'm just trying to make sure I'm live before I get going. Because I get to talking before I'm even live. But we're getting ready to go over a few things for sure. And yeah, I'm live. We're getting ready to go over a few things. We're looking at the US dollar right now. It is the China session, so it's morning time over there in China and Australia and Japan. It's nighttime over here. Good night, America. I'm glad that you guys decided to tune in with me. Yeah, and we were knocked out of our trade yesterday. This is what I'm looking at. We're looking at the 5-minute chart, USD JPY. We're gonna start off hot, guys. Oh boy, this thing fell off. This actually had knocked me out. This thing fell off to the ground and it's actually repairing itself, but it's looked like it's about to be some sideways trading here. We have tomorrow. I'm gonna get ready to show you guys the news. Let me show you guys what news we have coming up. This was today. It was a holiday actually for the Great Britain pound and whatnot. But what, 8:30 my time? Pretty soon we're finna have some monetary policy meetings from the Australian dollar. We're gonna see it. I'm gonna be live still, so we're gonna see how that affects the market, guys. Tuesday, you see what's going on. Canada's. This is tomorrow. Well, today actually. Today for me. But this is going on 7:30 in the morning. Hopefully I still be awake. But this is what I'm very concerned about. The Fed meeting. When the Fed speak, the market moves. And it moves abruptly. Well, I mean, I've seen the Fed say some things and it stayed pretty steady, but as of late, when the Fed speaks, man, it moves, man. Actually, we live from Russ College, the Bloomberg terminal. Yeah, they actually have a Bloomberg terminal here. It's beautiful. This is a HBCU. You can utilize a lot of this. Hopefully, the students. Well, I'm gonna tag Russ College, so hopefully the students can see what this library, what this terminal is capable of. It's people that make millions of dollars out of these terminals. Okay, but look what we have here. Jibble jabble. But the yen has been a little bit strong. I need to get some sort of sediment, so I'm going to leave USD JPY and I'm going to go and find Great Britain pound JPY. Well, I'm going to go to the Australian dollar versus the it's risk off. So that means that people aren't taking risks, guys, and that also means that your equities and whatnot is going to get ready to go down. Let's take a look at gold here. Gold is my cousin's favorite. Man, that's my boy Bun. I hadn't even got to talk to him. I told him I was going to give him a call. Don't be upset with me, Bun, bro. I've been kind of tied up down here. But it never be too tied up for your loved ones. But check this out. Look at gold. We at support. We are at support, guys. I wonder how this market going to look. Let me left click this. Put a little highlighter. Look at here. It's not wanting to go down there. It shot down here. I don't know what that was about. It had something to do with some news or something. Because it shot down there and shot straight back up. So, this may be a buying opportunity for, well, this 5-minute chart. Let's go. Because you don't want to base your whole whoop the bam off of that. No, it's not a buying opportunity. Okay, we are at heavy resistance and we are at support. This is no man's land. This is no trade zone. We won't be placing the trade on gold unless we would want to buy. But if you would buy gold at this moment, you will be buying up against all of this pressure. That doesn't look well. This wick right here, guys, this indicates downward momentum. Okay, this indicates downward momentum. But when we look at the 5-minute charts, it's a battle though. It's a battle because it's been here before and it rejected. We can watch this live and see what this does. I can't even make a prediction on this. But I don't want to. Let me look at the NASDAQ right quick. Oh, the NASDAQ 100, the top 100 tech stocks, meaning Facebook, YouTube. You guys are watching me off of all of this. Facebook, YouTube, and Twitch. I'm not able to go live off TikTok, but the NASDAQ is pumping a little bit. But let me see. It's been a green day for the Nasdaq. Okay, so I guess your equities are going to be doing good, but this is going to flip bearish. I think this is going to go back down. It's going to be another negative day because of what the Australian dollar is telling me at the moment. With the Australia being under so much pressure, I'm not sure what's going to go on. We have to really wait till their money, wait a minute, let me go back to it. Put a highlight, big old fat highlight over it. Wait a minute. Today's not Monday. Yeah. Guess we waiting on this. Yep. We're waiting on it. We're waiting on it, guys. But we're gonna wait on this and see what they got to say. I would stream Bloomberg television on here, but I don't want to get kicked out, get knocked around. So let's just wait and see. And as you can see, this is the Australian dollar is under pressure. If we get some hawkish news from the Australian bank, and if we feel like they're going to raise rates or they're going to do something hawkish, this thing may shoot up some too, just like the dollar does versus this. And well, let's check on the euro USD. Last time I checked, euro USD was pumping. Now I said earlier I was bullish on the dollar, and I still am. We just have to face this pressure and wait, because we still hadn't had that meeting. We got a meeting coming up Wednesday. The dollar's falling to the yen. Yup. See, as traders, you're not always right. You manage your losses. I would like to buy again down here. That right there, I like all that. I like that bullish momentum. But it's been fiddle farming. But I'm sure we can go back up to this level right here, guys. We can make it back up there. This is the US dollar versus Japanese yen. The reason why I'm bullish on this pair, because of the inflation that the US data came back, and the inflation was very hot and sticky. Therefore, I'm sure the Fed's going to move, and the Fed's going to move hard. I'm not sure they're considering 100 basis points. Now that's what we're really waiting on. If they do 100 basis points, man, we may see something weird go on. They hadn't forecast that. They hadn't said a peep about it. So it's just people yapping about it. Maybe it will be needed to get inflation under control, raising it 100 basis points. That's meaning that the Nasdaq and Tesla, they're going to be less profitable. The S&P 500, they're going to be less profitable because they're going to have to cut some of their losses. They're going to have to pay more because of the rates. But it's pumping right now. I'm not thinking they're going to do a 100 basis point move. So yeah, but let's take a look at oil. Oil tried to go back to $85. It won't even go past 85, guys. That looks good. That's good for our pockets at the gas station. Look at that. And it tried to pump up. This is the 4-hour chart. I got my my little camera blocking it. Let me move that out the way for you guys to see what time frame we're on. Yeah, looks a little bit better. But yeah, 4 hours. Now let's go back at USD. Well, the overall strength of the dollar has weakened. The dollar is weakened. Ever since we won our trade yesterday, the dollar has stopped everybody out. I'm sure that all retail traders, all guys like us, you know, I can say I'm a big dog, I'm a hedge fund guy, but I'm a retail trader. And all retail traders are trying to buy the USD right now. The market knows it. So it's going to try to shake some of us off, I think, and it's going to make a rage move. So if you're trading this, make sure you have a decent amount of stop loss and don't over risk, because this market will take your money. Okay, even if you're right, you can be wrong and right at the same time. The market can reverse so hard that it will take out your position, but it will go back into your favor, and you will be in profit if you had the proper amount of stop loss and if you had the proper amount of risk. So be careful on that, guys. But yeah, it's gonna be fiddle fart news. Boom, boom, boom. You seen it try to shoot up, came on down. That's me yesterday. I got all that yesterday, around 50 pips or something. But this gonna fill the fart some down. Boom, boom, boom. What Tesla doing? Tesla's shot up big time today. That old scoundrel Elon Musk. But silver, I was hearing silver was under pressure. Silver has been under pressure too. Silver and gold. That's a song. But gold is under way more pressure than silver. Silver ain't worth nothing though. 19, USD. Gold is worth 1,600 per block or whatever they got. But yeah, gold is pretty much untradeable right now. For the past couple days, gold has been in this zone. After the Fed did their thing and whatnot, and after the big crash, everything has been stagnant. We're waiting now. Like, I feel like the market's waiting. They waiting just like we always wait. Waiting on the federal government. Alright. And here at, come on, man, at Headquarters Profit, we gonna stay patient here. We're not gonna rush and jump in anything that we don't need to. Because we don't really like to give away money. We pay bills. Alright? We pay bills here. We don't give away that money. Come on down. When that come on down, you may can try to take a buying opportunity. But that right there is ugly. The way that fell down, it's gonna come on down. Man, hey, this thing could go all the way down here somewhere. It could go all the way down here and you catch a buy around 142 here. That's just zoning. We zoning though. We gonna zone like the hedge fund guys. It's a fella right now sitting in the bank right now. He over after hours. He got his own office in the bank. He probably sleep there. There's a fella in the bank right now watching this just like us. Alright. He may be overseas though, but whatever. And he gonna buy down there too. I know he is. I know he is. And this is pretty, if you want to buy, this is a pretty good buying opportunity. It's oversold as we speak. So yeah. Yep. What do we have? Well, it could go back up. Cause boom, rejected off this, shot down. Go on down, touch on down. How far down can it go? This is the hour chart too. It's a bleed off. You know what? I'll be quite formal with you guys, and I can tell you guys official numbers. I can tell you guys some official numbers. The AUD USD, it's no movement. No movement, no movement. The only thing is moving is the yen, guys. The yen is beating the pound by 24 pips. The yen is beating the US dollar by 18 pips. What about the Aussie? What about the Aussie, man? What about the Aussie? Losing 23 pips too to the yen. Now the reason why the yen is so important, point blank period, out of all the countries, the yen is our friend, but they are the worst currency as far as the cheapest. So when there's turmoil and currencies are losing value, the only currency that's gonna gain some is probably the yen and some old other crappy currencies, because the market has to adjust to so if power is losing, then less power has to gain. It has to show that. So in order for the pound to weaken, a weaker currency has to gain strength against the pound. Meaning that's why we run to the yen during time of turmoil. And the yen is beating the brakes off of the dollar as we speak. Beating the brakes off of it, right? No brakes. All gas. Is it doing the same to the euro? It's doing the same to everybody. Broke through resistance in my face. Look at old Dogecoin. Piece of crap. It's down to 5 cents. It was just at 6 cents. Look at the Aussie dollar. And I really am waiting on this news right here. This is very important. Oh, they got national core inflation 2.8. That see, the yen inflation was was where they thought it would be at. They print so much money. It's just They're alright. They do alright. You know. But look at here. Let's look at here, guys. That's why we go to the 5-minute chart, just to see, like, and it's breaking. I don't know how far down this thing can go. I'm calling it right here. And it's sad. I don't really want to buy the yen, man. I don't, I could make money if I wanted to push this down and say, oh, it's going to go down, and then just sell. And I could, like, if you would make money, if you would buy. But I'm just not a fan of buying that yen right now. Man, I'm not a fan of it. It's going against my philosophy. But you break, if you meet that one person you really like, you break all them rules now. I've done it. I'm going to break some rules for you if I really like you, so. Might break some rules for this yen. Huh? What you think? What you think we should do? I ain't trying to sell it. I think it's going to go back up. Well, not this chart. Shit. It's unlimited fall time too. But this thing ain't gonna just, the market never goes in one direction. Look at this. It jumped off the cliff there too though. We get to this zone right here, it might be a buying opportunity. What is Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin was pretty down. Man, when I was looking at Bitcoin, I got sick to my stomach on the earlier stream, looking at down there at 18,000. I talk all this noise about Bitcoin, but they say buy the dips. You gotta buy the extreme dips on Bitcoin. It gotta be an extreme dip, cause you don't never know when that thing keep dropping. When you buy the bottom and then you continue, like a lot of times you'll buy it thinking you buying the bottom. No, dog. The bottom about another 1,000 pips down. Oh man, you guys, I don't know if you guys remember earlier, but I was having problems messing with the map. Like, man, this Bitcoin chart so jackknifed. I have to readjust the doggone lens. Look at this. It's interesting though. This is Bitcoin, man. Bitcoin just failed. I ran into one of my classmates. He was like, I'm tired of Bitcoin. I need something that's gonna go up, not go down. Hey, I feel you, bro. Better not be buying. I'm warning all my guys. If you listen to me, we're not buying Bitcoin, trying to hold it, or we're not buying any of those coins, okay, guys, until the top of next year, until we see that the Fed is actually gonna lighten up some. All right, gonna see if the Fed gonna lighten up some. We ain't going for all that right now. That's fool's gold. And speaking of fool's gold, let's go to gold. Yeah, no trade zone. Let's see though, cause it was looking like it could be a buy opportunity. Maybe it could be a buy opportunity. It's gonna stay around. Look at that crap. It's just gonna stay around here, man. It's just gonna stay around here. Oh yeah, you guys know we're gonna be back for the London session too. All right, I ain't really prepared to get no sleep. Sleep when I pass away, man. I've been waiting all weekend for the market to open up. Well, man, it's stressful when the market's not open. Just gotta try to find something to do with yourself. But look at here. Decent buying opportunity. Decent. It's decent though. I'm gonna be honest. The USD gonna go off the meat rack. It's gonna go all the way off the meat rack when we meet. And let me prepare to go ahead. Set me a buy stop here. Sorry, that's rude. I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to set me a buy stop because I want it to touch down right here. Can't touch this. What's that about? I need to make sure the stream's still on because when I'm streaming to multiple platforms, I tend to have an issue. So I don't want to get to yapping too fast. Yeah, I'm still on live. Look like I've been going 12 minutes. Who been listening to me for 12 minutes? Nobody. But this got potential to go up. Let's see what other news we got after that. I mean, you got Japan, they gonna have a little conference or whatever. You know. The pound is gonna do something funky. I'll give you a call back, bro. Hey Jay, if you listening, bro, I'm gonna call you in a minute. Once I finish this up. Jay is a binary trader. He trades on time zones and whatnot, and he mainly just trade options during the stock. So when he think Apple's gonna go up or go down, he engages. I just go for the NASDAQ 100 altogether, and I lose a little bit messing with the NASDAQ, and I win some. But look at here, the Fed gonna speak Friday evening. Let me see what's going on next week. It's a quiet week next week, guys. Hey, Bitcoin might pump next week. I can't wait to make a video about next week with all this quietness. But yeah, there we go. We see. Oh, it's gonna get ready to come back up. All right. Let's see. I'm gonna watch it with y'all. Yeah, man, I want to buy so bad too. I like it at this level, man. I really do. I got a few missed calls. I gotta call some folks back. Yeah, let's watch this here. That thing can make some shake, man. It's up on us though. Let me set my buy stop. We might lose this though, but I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna try to jump in this here, guys. I'm gonna jump in here on the buy pretty soon here. And it's official. It's official. And I might fold. It may fold on me. Get that down some, man. What's all that about? Let me just go back to the 5 hour. Man, I wish I could just use under. Cause this is not where I wanted to go. But well, yeah, I guess. Yeah. Let me remove all this crap out of here. But yeah, move all this crap. We getting ready to go along to see what happens. I hadn't gotten in the trade yet though, guys, so don't execute yet. Don't even execute yet. I'm looking though. We looking real hard. Like D the Champ say. I talked to D the Champ. Man, I talked to D last night. Boy, about 5 hours on that phone. Like little girls on the phone. Look. You know what? Nah, we gonna have to enter a little bit lower. What's up with my stop loss, y'all? Why my stop loss so low? It's a fool stop loss, ain't it? Oh yeah, let me start right here then. What's that, 30 minute? Let me see though. Go to the hour chart. Man, that's too wicked out, man. Yeah, that's too wicked out. This a buying opportunity. Let's pull the trigger, guys. We'll just see. Yeah, look, 20, what's this, 20 pips? 20 pip stop loss? I just rubbed my nose, man. I got frustrated. Don't be afraid to close your position if you don't like what you see. Alright? You don't have to take the full loss. I typically never take a full loss. I typically jump out before I even fold. But we are in this, guys, and it's official. I need to change the title to this thing. Live trade taken. Let me go to the windows. Yep. Let's see. Yeah, I'm in this trade right here, though. I'm not sure, we're going to see how it goes. We've been winning on a winning streak, so, man, we are due for a loss. We never know everything. Nobody knows everything. So, prepare to lose. But if we win, hey, it is what it is. But we had a pretty good zone. Risk low. That wick below right there. Look at those double wicks. I went, we double wicked up. So let's see. Let's see if this thing can turn all the way green. Let's see, man. Let's see. I'm serious too. I'm serious. Let me update this title. Live trade taken. USD JPY buy. Let's make some money. Let's lose some money. No. Hey, I said it, guys. Be prepared. Be prepared to lose always, alright? Be prepared. Alright, we in it. We are in it. I'm gonna be here until 11 o'clock maybe Eastern time. Close to it. Then I relocate because the terminal unfortunately won't stay open for your boy. I ain't got that much pull yet, but soon I'm gonna have them open the doors and the red carpet for us, guys. Headquarters gonna be big. Mark my words. Just like we losing. But let me see. Are we losing right now? Oh man, what I click second for? You do that for, buddy? Yeah, let's see if we can go down 20 pips, man. I ain't feeling it again. But if we go back up here and then feel the fart, man, I'm gonna be ready to take my trade out again. That's the big question. When we get to that, that's the big question. Now, I wouldn't mind hanging out right there. Hold up, somebody's calling me. And this is important. I'm gonna have to give him a call back here. Matter of fact, let me mute myself and answer this phone call, alright? Yeah. I'm finna mute myself right quick. Sorry about that, guys. I'm back, right? Hopefully you guys weren't too bored. I know you missed me. But look, as you can see, our trade is going our way. Yippee. You know what I'm saying? Yippee. I was expecting this. I'm not just too excited. I'm waiting till we get up here though. That's what's gonna determine, you know, who was right and who was wrong. That's gonna set the boys away from the men, right? Right or wrong. But yeah, let's just wait and see. Well, since we got a little time, since we're winning our trade, guys, let me know if there's anything you want me to go over. You want me to look at any stock, Apple, your favorite stock, Google, whatever you like the most. We can't look at TikTok because, like I said, they're owned by China pretty much. But let's look at like Facebook, whatever y'all want. Just let me know, and I'll look at it right quick. But let me look at gold. Boom. Okay. Will gold fall? I better make myself look smart here and put an arrow down. Yeah, let's see what goes on. You guys don't know, I'm thinking like, I've watched people stream, man, and they'll say, oh right, you know, it has the potential to go up, but it could go down, and then it could go back up again, then it could go down back again. So you pretty much just saying like, man, it could do anything basically. And does this look like that? Be honest with me, guys. Am I saying that this could do anything? Yeah, I am. Gold can do anything. Alright, gold will take you out. Let's see what USD JPY doing. Oh man, hold up, wait a minute. What am I trying to do, man? Why I keep trying to go to 5 seconds? Okay, now we seeing something. I just want to know, like, well, what? Let's let me know. Just let me know. I could scalp. Let me see how much I'm up. Take it out, then get back in. MetaTrader. I could take it out and get on back in, man. Doing alright though. Let's see. Let us see, guys. It's really, you know, I'm telling you, the majority of trading, the majority of doing this, you know, is waiting. It's waiting. And the beautiful thing about this, you trading, you're able to do it anywhere in the world. Anywhere in the world, man. Whew, so beautiful. So beautiful. I supposed to be getting ready to go on a cruise with my mom and them. And them I'm gonna try to like, I got the little package to where I can do Wi-Fi on there and all that. So hopefully I'll be able to trade with them guys. Well, trade out there and show you guys something. But hey, whatever. No days off. No days off, people. I brought my mic back. I had muted it for a minute. Oh, I got a few oh man, my guy Bo been chanting. There you go. Why is it just now popping up, man? What about Doge? Wait a minute. Oh, Shiba Inu. Man, I frown upon Shiba. Shiba Inu is brutal. Shiba Inu has been rough, man. Well, I mean, let's go to the daily chart here, Bo. Get that out of here. What is all that about? Today has been a bloodbath. Today, well, the day before yesterday was a bloodbath, man. And we did some rebounding. What did we touch? 0.960? 962? Shut up. I mean, it didn't like being down there, man, but we may return. Let's go back out here. Yeah, this thing has room to fall, bro. It has room to fall. Hey, point blank period, bro. I'm not bullish on no equities. I'm not bullish on no coins, man. I'm not trying to be like no big gloom and doom hater dude, but look, do not invest in none of these coins at the moment. The Fed is not playing games. The Fed want their money back. They already kind of pissed about the PPP loans and stuff, but that has nothing to do with how much money in these coins that they got to get out. The PPP loans and all that. Let me repeat: the PPP loans and all this stuff has nothing compared to what they're about to yank out of the market and Apple and the equity market. So be prepared for that. My forecast for this is continuation to fall down. I will go short on this. I will go short on Shiba Inu, especially with this news coming up. They might raise it 100 basis points and still and surprise us, guys. So I'm not sure. What'd you say, Dogecoin Mars? What's that about? Let me see what Dogecoin Mars is. But yeah, my sentiment. Let me look at the 5-hour chart. We can see what's it doing right now. What? Yeah, you know. These coins, man, they move a little slow here. Yeah, it's been fiddle farm for a minute. Let me go to the hourly chart here. Quit doing me like that. So after the big drop, it rebounded. Always know though, what goes up must come down and what goes down must come up. It's just about timing. We can't be greedy. You don't want to have FOMO. Fear of missing out. FOMO. Remember that. FOMO. That killed us with Dogecoin. A lot of guys bought Dogecoin at 60 cents. That was FOMO. And I was one of them. You know what I'm saying? I fell for it a little bit too. But I didn't go all in like some of my buddies. But it didn't like this position, this area right here. Boom. What's that? It went down pretty far, but I see fiddle farting until we get more news, more decision. More decision, man. Dogecoin Mars. Let's see. I'm not familiar with that coin, but you're gonna have to put me on some of these coins, especially when it's time to re-engage in the market, bro. Because is this it? Yes, it is. Let's go. Let's go, bro. Dogecoin Mars. Oh man, no wonder he asked, but this thing is seeing a little bit of support here, man. Optimism here. I know. I heard about Ethereum merging and whatnot. What did Ethereum merge with, bro? Can you tell me? Can you tell me? Matter of fact, let me Google that right quick. Ether. It's really called Ether 2, by the way. Am I spelling that right? Ooh, I put merge. Beacon chain. It felt a little pressure after the merge, but hey, Bo, if you holding this, man, hey, hopefully you just got back in it. Because tell all your friends, man, tell everybody. Tell everybody you know, hide your kids, hide your wife. Don't buy no coins. Don't buy no equities. Not until we get finished with this Fed news. And with this dollar strength, guys, when the dollar is this high, yeah, it's hard to make that market go up. Alright? It's hard. But this is the daily chart. It's been a green day for Dogecoin US. What is this? Bohana Dogecoin Mars? I'm gonna have to look them guys up and see what they doing, because they got Elon involved with this. And I like to stay away from Elon, because he's a shiesty scoundrel. I'm gonna talk to you, boy, about Elon, about how he did us, because I figured it out when I started trading, how he did it. But on the 5-minute chart, you got a lot of indecision. It's been undecided, dog, for a while. This is something. This looks virtually untradeable to me. Virtually impossible to make money. That, oh God, look at this. Just no movement. No movement. But when times are good, these coins, play with it if you want to. These coins shoot to the moon. Equities go to the moon, and these crypto coins go to the moon. Alright? Times will be good soon. Times will bounce back. But what's Apple doing? Apple was under pressure. I want to see what oil is going. Oh, we hadn't checked on our trade in a while. Let's see how's it going. If we looking ugly. Yeah, it bounced back down on us. I was wondering what it would do if it touched that up there. Now, will it evaporate all this and go past my stop loss? Somebody head gonna start hurting. And you looking at them. Let's see. Let's see though. Patience is a virtue. So if you want to now, if you got in a trade with me, you guys can get out. You won't lose any money. Okay, we're entering pressure time. We're entering loseyourmoney.com time. Alright, if you want to get out of this right here, if you're over leveraged, get out, man, and re-enter. Take out, don't do $10 pips with this, man, with me. You better do a dollar pip with me, man. Do your dollar pips. Alright? Don't put your whole soul in it. Don't put everything in me, man. I'm only a human. But hey, what happened though? It reversed on us. Let's see how this goes. Let's see how it goes. You know, if you're scared, get out of this trade, right? I'm prepared to lose. I'm here. I'm in a Bloomberg station, man. Come on. I'm a trader. I'm actually paid to lose. But when I lose, I need to lose the right way. Remember that, guys. Let's look. When we get to this level up here, and when it continues to go up, hey, thank me later. But if it start like I'm not letting this thing. That's why we managed. So you see, my take profit is higher than my stop losses. All right. So I mean, whatever. I'm not too heavy in this trade, but I'm pretty heavy in it. We'll see. I'm gonna have to take some percentages down. If we get down here, I'm gonna start taking some percentages out. But I hope I answered your questions pretty well, Boheezy. Let me know if you want to know about anything else, man. I was pretty quick with Shiba Inu. Look at Shiba. Under pressure, man. Under pressure. It may be a good buying zone down here, Bo. But with us, we trade with margin. When you're buying Shiba Inu, you pretty much are trading with margin, though. But yeah, if I'm buying Shiba Inu, I'm probably gonna be buying like maybe 30,000 Shiba Inu coins with my margin. So I need to put this in let me see. You guys need to go to this website right here, Baby Pips. If you're watching, please go to this website .com/learn. Bookmark this website. This taught me everything that I know. Well, I mean, losing a lot of money taught me but this taught me how to, I don't know. This taught me what the market is. This taught me how to, it just taught me what I was just brought me to the table to where I could comprehend what was going on. So if you go take this is verbatim, first course, boom. Unlock trading preschool. This what you guys need to go to. What is Forex? Boom. What is Forex? What is Forex? You guys need to go through this before you try to engage in the market, cause it'll eat you alive. Shiba Inu is under pressure, guys. And I like those coins. I've been a bear on those coins, though, guys. I've been saying those coins must fall for a while, and I made quite a bit. I made quite a bit off the Bitcoin fall. It's around 50,000 when I decided to short. Ooh, let's look at the USD CAD. Yeah, the Canadian dollar is bouncing back. Oh man, wait a minute. That was a big push in the dollar. So let's look at my trade here. We facing rejection. Oh man. Hold up. What is this? What's up now? What you want to do? It just erased all the pressure that we had, guys. You're seeing this live. This is live trading. This is how a lot of people make their livelihood. This is how I make quite a big portion of my livelihood. I actually do things outside of this so that I can write off things and stuff. Because this money, you have to give up 30% of this money. So I don't want to give up 30% of it. So I'm going to write it off. A couple charities and whatnot. I got you both too. I'm going to holler at you. Because I need to be able to write some stuff off. 30% is too much to give to the government. For them to give to the politicians. But bam, I'm feeling feeling kind of optimistic about this trade. I had to be a man of my conviction and pull it on live again. And you know, as you can see, we're gonna sit around here and wait a little bit. It's gonna take a while. This ain't gonna be one of them quick videos, so it's gonna be a shabam around. I mean, I got about 30 minutes left out here. 30 minutes, 40 minutes. I think we're gonna come back to the London session though. Let me check. I'm having issues. Having issues seeing my comments from Twitch. But yeah. It's looking like it's gonna be a pretty rough day for equities. Let's go to the Aussie to the pound. Cause man, the pound, this used to be my pair when, you know, when things were well, before Vladimir Putin decided to start brutalizing the Ukrainians. Oh man, the pound in Europe was, everybody was happy-go-lucky. Look what happened now though. And I want to give you guys an overall view of the big picture, alright? This is the daily chart here. Daily chart. Daily chart. I wish I could switch to intraday. The pound has been going up against the yen. Boom, 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 boom. But it's repairing. This what happened with Vladimir. Wait a minute, let me make sure. Hell no, that's way back. When did Vladimir decide to attack here? Let me Google when did Vladimir first attack. Invasion start. Because actions, I mean, these guys' actions, what? Not no 1999. Don't do me like that. You guys know what I want to do. Okay, February 24th. Let's go look at February, man. Oh, it fell a little bit, but what happened with oil when Putin first invaded? February 24th. Y'all gotta remind me of that. Write it in the chat. Oil, what did oil do? This is around the time, February 24th. Oil shot up, bruh, to 128. Man, oil was sold. Gas was sold. That when gas was so high. Oil shot all the way up to $128, man. $130. What happened to it? Oil dropped all the way down here now. And then you can thank President Joe Biden for releasing reserves, you know, national reserves. Those are really supposed to be for hard times, for war, for you know, for tragedies. What bigger tragedy than $4 per gallon for the everyday American? No bigger tragedy. I was talking to a guy who was tinting my mom windows, and he I was telling him, I'm telling him, man, $1. I wanted to try to get some out of him because I seen his hat. And I said, $1 is at an all-time high, man. This is crazy. This is dangerous. He was like, what do you mean you must do drugs? I'm like, what are you talking about? The dollar is as high as it's ever been. I wanted to call him a boy. Dollar as high as it's ever been, boy. I'm about to tint my mama windows and listen. Man, the dollar is as high as it ever been. And he man, he wanted to what'd he say? You gotta be crazy because an apple costs this. I'm like, that's why the apple, the dollar is so high. Inflation is high. That what makes the dollar high. He just couldn't comprehend it. Then he wanted to go and talk about that old sleepy fella, sleepy man Joe. Leave Joe out of this, man. Joe Biden ain't had nothing to do with this. This is all Putin. This is all OPEC. All right. So when those guys run up on you trying to talk about politics with this inflation, man, no. If they want to say that the student loans, they only gave us $20,000, dude, that has nothing. Oh my God, that has nothing on the value of oil and the NASDAQ 100 being so inflated. All right, you know, I just had to rant right quick. That fella kind of had me upset. I'm a trader, man. You can't sit here and tell me nothing about no inflation, trying to put no politics to this, boy. I don't even care about politics, man. I'm not no fan of Sleepy Joe. Wake him up some, you know what I'm saying? But don't blame him for something that he didn't do. He just woke up. Let that man get his rest, man. The NASDAQ is pumping as we speak too. Shouts out to Sleepy Joe. Talking bad about him. Joe gonna get that market back. He gonna get, you gonna, them Pampers and stuff, it's gonna be back. The Fed is gonna yank that stuff down, right? Your boss might complain, but you won't be. The CEOs are gonna complain because they're gonna have to probably give up a yacht or something. Either they're gonna have to give up a yacht or they're gonna have to lay off some people. What is this? Dog, that whole thing flipped on us. I told y'all that hour was gonna flip. Now I'm waiting to see, like, let's see if we can get some continuation, like going up past that thing. I got that marked up for a reason. It look all sloppy, guys, but if we can get past this position, we're gonna be good. Point blank, period. You know, don't let nobody tell you can't be nothing. You know, don't complain about your position, guys. You can change your position. All you gotta do is invest in yourself first, right? And educate yourself, work hard, get more money, then invest into the market. Then that's when you take the next step, man. You get to really call your own shots, man. Walk in the building, you know, a bunch of traders, bunch of guys walk in the building. We can make that building, we can make some shaking that. We can make it move. That's power. Money is power. So focus on yourself, guys, and work hard. And you're gonna be there. You're gonna make it. I believe in you. I believe in the hard worker. Alright? The lazy man is the lazy man is the problem. He shall not succeed. The lazy man shall not succeed. Alright? You can give up some sleep sometime. You can give up some sleep, boy. Let's go here. Yep, we right here. You guys see what I got? Hey, let me see if you guys too late to get involved. This is a fiddle fart chart too. As you can see, I'm fiddle farting like I'm scratching my nails. This is what happens. You trade during a session 2, the Chinese session, man, because you know it's like a snail go. But hey, when the European session opens up, it's yom sometimes, you know. But this one of those snail races. I saw that dip and I wanted to buy it, and I thought this was a good zone, and it's proving me right. Now let's see, we get past this right here. Oh man, we're gonna be okay. Now I'm sure some guys are looking to collect profits. This would be, let me see what's up. If I were to win heavy, I could collect profits and get like $100 or something. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Look here. Come on now. Hey, if you still in it, you can move your stop loss to break even. Thank me later. You won money live. It's on me. You know what I'm saying? I told you when I did it. So, yeah. Move your stop losses to break even. I am not responsible for you lose your money at this point. Alright? Don't be mad. Because you seen what happened yesterday. This thing flipped on us, man. And I took profits live. So please take your profits if you're heavy right now. Because we had resistance, man. Hey, what goes on? Like, history always repeats itself. Now I'm getting antsy, man. Like, because I want to see. Let's see if this bounces back down or goes back up. Let's see, man. Let's see. Yeah, Vladimir Putin is, oh man, he's bombing other people bad, dog. I'm getting notifications like him, and he man, I just thought even when those people win, they lose. Cause if you starting to win, that just gives him an incentive, and he has to prove a point. He's a laughing stock losing to that little old country. What we look like losing to them? Come on, man. That dude can't handle us. He can't even handle Ukraine. He trying to talk noise about us like he gonna do something. Man, I'm rooting for Ukraine. I don't even care. I don't like bullies like that. I don't like bullies, man. Point blank. Look, we had resistance. We had resistance, right? You know, this right here gonna make or break you. push through that resistance in our face on live. Let me let you guys see how we make money here at headquarters. Alright. See if they can catch you on the stream. There you go. Y'all see the man of the hour back there? Old scoundrel back there, man. Alright. We just waiting and watching now though, guys. Let's see. I would play or something. Y'all lucky I can't play no music. They'll kick me out. They'll kick me so far out. I'm sorry guys, I can't see my Twitch comments right. Let me just see what let me see what's happening with Twitch. That looks all ugly though. Let me take this off, man. Oh. Let me take this crap off, man, cause that's, if you know me in real life, you know my handwriting suck too. So just please forgive yours truly. Oh man, we making it through. That's exciting. So we got all that. I knew that red eye was gonna flip. They just trying to get rid of everybody, like all the retail traders, man. That thing gonna go back up here somewhere, man. I know it. The dollar has to return to all-time highs. I'm hallucinating hearing it on the news, like the dollar. Lil Jazz, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, yeah, my Twitch working. Yeah, this is a decent setup, right? It's decent. You know, we in this goofy session though, Jazz. So, you know what I'm saying? Hey, for everybody too, Jazz is the one that introduced me to trading. She was begging me to do it when I was at Ole Miss, but I was just, oh no, fuck. Let me see something here if I can. There we go, I just fixed it. Oh, I didn't even mean to curse like that. But yeah, Jazz introduced me to trading or whatever, and I didn't really want to listen, but something just snapped in my head. I think it was New Year's on her birthday. Like, I think it was 2 years ago. Like, I'm really gonna try to be a trader, and I made that transition. Wind up not quitting. Well, wind up not working no more, getting fired. I still owe them. You know when Kanye West said George Bush don't like black people, Georgia Powell don't like black people. Say that. Nah. But look, this what you guys did me such a great favor because you guys brought me here. Now I'm here. Now I'm able to really enjoy myself and really call the shots in a sense. So, whew. Let's see. We just wait. We are just waiting. Jazz, this does look like a pretty good setup though. I did it too on live, right? So, you know, there's no faking it. There's no faking and shaking this here. Let me remove that. Cause I'm writing it into existence. Every time I draw a red line, I get some rejection, man. Let me draw a line down here. Oh, I keep changing my stuff. Make sure that's the right way. It's at the right 143. Call me when you can. Oh man. Sorry about that, my boy. I ain't gonna mute it again. But yeah, we just checking this out. I'd be pretty pissed if I'm just not tuning in. Well, I mean, this is educational purposes. Not everybody watching is a trader, but this is how it goes. This is exactly how it goes. exactly how it goes, man. If y'all got anything for me, Jazz, if you guys want me to go over any charts or anything, if you're interested in anything, let me know. Because right now we on coast mode. We're enjoying our winnings, the fruits of our labor, the fruits of our hard work. Look, continue to go up for me. Rise, rise, US dollar. All shall rise. Rise, US dollar. Oh man, let me take my profit, dog. What is this about? Oh, okay. See, I keep getting notifications about Ukraine. Now, oh, do you know, guys, I made a mistake and missed the news. Oh, we gotta wait on no minutes. We're not even gonna get any numbers. Let me make sure. Ooh, yeah. What you gonna do though? What you gonna do though, for real? Let me look at this hour chart. My take profit pretty high. But this looks like it's gonna be the new bottom for me. Alright. My stop loss is at break even. So hey man, I put this on for y'all. This is a free gift. Matter of fact, you need a job. Hey, what's up, Tim? Man, what's up, dude? Nah, hey, Tim, this is my job, baby. This is my job, man. This is my job, alright? This is my job right now. I've been enjoying myself doing this, dude. I didn't know life could be this good, man. I didn't realize how life could be. I was working hard, but now I'm trying to work a little smart. I do a little yapping and do a little listening, and this is the results that I get, Tim. Man, I know you doing good though. Dude, how you doing, Tim? Man, I'm gonna have to message you, man. I hope you're doing well. I know you probably the boss somewhere too. That's why you asked me, do I need a job, man? Where you working at now? What you some hedge guy? Some seed? I know you running some. And how's Mr. Gillard? Oh yeah, I worked super hard too, man. I did work pretty roughly, and I tried to save up as much as possible. The trick of trading, man, is actually working hard, man, and having the funding to lose, and also having the funding to win. It's just a trick. It's a trick, man. It's a trick. Those rich guys like to. I don't even know how to explain it, man. When they do this crap, we gonna be like them too soon. But yeah, man. Yeah, Tim. Just kicking it. Have you heard from any of the other guys, man? I'm not sure if you guys rocking out together or not. But as I speak though, man, we got the US dollar super strong, super strong. So that means that all coins gonna be under pressure. Oh, hey, what you got here? What this gold doing? And I said it was a buying opportunity right here, but somebody felt a little pressure if they bought. This is pressure. This ain't no buying opportunity, guys. This is pressure. This is pressure. Who going short on gold, man? Ooh, gold up high too. Gold got some room to fall. Gold can't fall. If we get some US dollar strength, man, gold can fall. As a matter of fact, let's look at the European dollar. Because as I reiterate, Putin is being pretty brutal to those guys, man. And from the reports I'm seeing, he ain't letting up. He ain't letting up one bit. Sad day for those people. Yeah, as you can see, the euro popped. Yeah, the euro popped a little bit, but pop, lock, and drop. It pop, locked, and dropped it. Dropped so far down, it's over. It's over. This thing has potential to go down some more too. These levels. I'm predicting King Dollar. As I speak, let me see here. How many pips is this? Alright, that's a 30 pip stop loss though, bro. If you get in right now on the short, that's a 30 pip stop loss, bro. Oh man, come on, quit doing me like that. You got a 50 pip take profit if you get in right now. But I won't say get in where you fit in, man. But I shall say get in where you fit in. Alright, no, well, it ain't a trick, but you know, for lack of better words, I would say it's the trick. The trick to life. You Bun call what Bun told me, call them life hacks. Just like, you know, one man I know, it's one's very smart man. He keeps his same McDonald's cup. And he always goes in McDonald's with the same cup. They don't like it very well, but I think that's one of the smartest men. You know, he's a pretty smart guy. Oh man, hold up. We ain't got that big of a rejection. But it didn't look good on the hourly chart. Did you hear me get a little nervous? I said, oh man, wow. But look though, that's not good, like that big wick. You better stop playing and turn back around. Alright? Come on. Come on. Hey Tim, man, I live in Atlanta too, man, now. I'm not even around here, man. I'm a DM you though. I gotta see what you got going on, what you got for me. Check the time, man. Old Bine just checked in. Yes, sir.
Still at it?
Yeah, man, just, you know, we pretty much enjoying our winnings, bro. Enjoying our winnings.
Making that
Cha-ching. I need a cha-ching little thing, right? Little hat, what do you call those things? Soundboards.
sound effect.
Yeah.
Are you still live?
Yeah, we still live, man.
We're here.
We still live, man. You see what's going on. As you can see, I decided to buy down here, and we're feeling we had a lot of momentum going up, but now, damn it, I mean, excuse my language. At the point that I said it's supposed to start rejecting, it's rejecting. Why did I curse myself, guys? Because I knew it. Smart money taking profit. And I'm going to be honest, it's about time for us to take profit, man. Because we don't hold no trades on no jackknife. I left a runner. I left a runner, man. It's so hard. It's been hard for me lately to hold trades, man. Unless it's like $1 or $2 pips. I'll let them go for like 1,000 pips or something, 400 pips. But man, as far as heavy holding, guys, man, I'm a wimp right now. Wimped out. I'm wimped out. Let's go to the daily chart. This is why I'm wimped out though. Like, dude, we hadn't went anywhere ever since we got that Fed news, man. So I just been trying to eat where I can, man. I've been eating where I can. Trying my best not to have noodles every night, y'all. If I don't take profit, it's gonna be noodles every night. Starving. You gotta eat, man. I'm so far, you know what I'm saying?
How far are you in that hole?
Oh man, I ain't in no hole though. I'm out that hole.
Fine, get it.
No binds. I ain't got no binds right now, but my vice is getting a hold to me. Oh, Tim, yeah, I'm checking Tim page out now, yo. Yeah, man, I see you running things. That's probably your big excavator too. Let me borrow that excavator. I still know how to use it. Ooh, look at that hourly chart. Yeah, I went ahead and took my profits. Oh, that's me. I done took it. Now let's just see how it goes. I'm gonna try to read. Wait a minute, I got a couple pips. No, I got stopped out off that other woo up the dam. Y'all want to sponsor me to try to buy this crap? Nah, I ain't doing that. Look. Yeah, man. Let me hang out. We can just wait it out. Cause I pray that I've been saying don't get in nothing. This ain't that big of a pullback, maybe 10 pips or something. But don't get in nothing too late. Now might be a pretty good buying opportunity for you guys if you want to engage. Don't engage in hypocrisy, but this is hypocrisy. Well, this is a little dip. How far down can it go, man? I just didn't feel like dealing with it. I'm gonna get back in during the London session though. What is it? 10 o'clock Eastern time. 30 minutes into the session. 30 minutes into the open. I hadn't had any Bloomberg playing. I don't know. I can't even hear the news. Man, let me cut on. You know, I'm gonna do it. Might have to face some repercussions.
100,000 people lose jobs if that's just going to take the jobless rate to 4%, a bit above 4%, which on a historical basis is still very low.
So the 2-year and the 5-year yield, and when the 10-year yield shoots up, guys, that got a lot to do with us. With my favorite currency, the USD JPY.
Reynolds there, outlining this really real conundrum reading the Fed's in, and it's almost like this Dyson vacuum cleaner that's sucking money out of EMs. We put that on a graphic for
of
you.
the equity market. That's what I was saying. These guys, they like to repeat me. You know what I'm saying? They repeat what I say.
You know, you're starting to see that play out, and you're not going to see that kind of outflow story really change unless we see some sort of policy clarity from the Federal Reserve, not just.
And they've been so quiet. Like I said, we're gonna wait, guys. We're gonna wait for sure, especially on big time holding. I'm trying to go short on the Nasdaq though. That's for sure. I'm trying to go short so bad on the Nasdaq. Let's go look at it. Let's go look at your favorite tech stocks. Let me know, because I'm running out of time here, guys. Let me know the NASDAQ popping. Let me know what y'all want me to go over right quick, okay? Bo gave me a pretty good, some pretty good coins. If y'all got any coins that y'all familiar with, you're concerned with, if you're holding anything, let me see. Let me know. Let me know what you guys are holding. I can go and look at it. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to tell you to sell it and get out of that crap. But if you're in the NASDAQ 100 buy, lucky you. You a scoundrel. You a dog, boy. You got more, that's what I'm saying. You got more heart than me. You gonna buy against all this? You got way more heart than me. Sometimes I'm not sure why this NASDAQ skip like that. That pisses me off. You know, we don't get pissed off too often here. That's oil. Oil is doing us a favor, guys. Yeah, as long as oil stay around here, cheap gas. That gas gonna be cheap. Find a cheap gas station too, cause oil supposed to be. Don't be paying no $3 and don't pay $3.30 something for your oil. Cause I just for your gas, man. It's $3 somewhere, especially around the mid south and the south or whatever. Don't pay more than $3.10 for your gas, man. Cause this right here showing you where oil is at. And now after Joe Biden them get finished releasing all those reserves, we're gonna have to I've been so locked in. I've been so locked in. What you say? What you talking about? What you talking about on that? Now the Queen has entered the chat. Okay.
Oh man,
The Queen had. What'd you say?
The Twitch stream popping.
Yeah, well, the Twitch and well, here go the comments right there. Facebook and Twitch decent, but the Queen is in the chat. She knows everything. All Nasdaq. All right, Nasdaq been folding.
Boy said you need a job.
Yeah, that's my guy. I had graduated from Northeast with him.
Okay.
Man, that's my guy, man. He trying to show me some love. He heard me whining about not working. He was mistaken though. I am working. I'm working right here, right now, baby. Right here, right now.
The chicken.
The chicken. The Nasdaq. The Nasdaq.
I did not know you could put your
You been locked in. So did you get in this buy? Tell the truth. This is a damn bad buy you got in, girl. I'm scared. I'm scared to buy right now though. How you get that conviction? And you know the Fed meeting tomorrow. The Fed meeting Wednesday. But girl, you bought that. Alright. Hey, I'm getting ready to have to end the stream too soon, guys. I hate it. But the terminal is shutting down on me. The terminal is shutting down on me. The NASDAQ must fall though. This is
Give me a little bite. Give me a little bite.
Hmm.
A little bite.
You finna go what?
I'm texting. I'm texting.
Alright. Hold up here. This man done got me all confused. What I was finna say? Yeah, I'm looking to go short here on this NASDAQ. I hate to say it if you're already in a buy. Yeah, if you're already in a buy, kudos to you. But which level would I like to go short on though? I want this thing to go up some more. But hey, it did a lot of rejecting. Man, how far up can a NASDAQ get to? These are questions that we ask ourselves as traders. Which way would we want to go here? Let me take this off, man. Take this off. We don't know what's going to happen. This is the no trade zone. Either you win it already or you better not re-enter right now. No trade zone here. Well, shit. Let me see what I see here. This ain't looking like nothing though for me, man. I need some insight here. This looking bearish. Alright? Well, after all the Fed did all that talking, man, I'm just waiting on the news. We gotta wait. See, the trick, we gotta wait and see. We let the market tell us. We let the Fed tell us what we need to happen. Alright? We seen what happened when they tell us what's going on. This stuff rages down. Alright? We got trickle up effects because the Fed ain't said nothing. We have room to breathe when the Fed ain't speaking. But when they open their mouth, the market reacts, and it reacts for a few days. Alright? I think I see what a bearish market is. A bearish market is, it shoots down tremendously, but it trickles up. And it tries to trick you into thinking that it's going to go up, guys. It's trying to trick you into buying Dogecoin. It's trying to trick you into buying Bitcoin and Shiba Inu. Don't do it. Don't get tricked. What's Shiba doing? You know, and no. We're strong on the US dollar. The 10-year yield is high, which means what's going on with USD JPY? Is my stopped out? This pisses me off when it does that, man. I'm not stopped out. My stop loss is at break even, alright? I'm not stopped out, but you know, we see a new floor here coming up. And when that crowd, you know what I'm saying, it bounced off where it's supposed to bounce off at. That was evident. I probably shouldn't have secured. I had to secure my profits though, because I need to make some money today. Alright? We need to make money. That's first and foremost. But yeah, this got potential to go back up. I'm looking like, man, let me see the Aussie dollar again. I mean, well, the Aussie yen. Where is it? I can't see, y'all. I'm blind. The Aussie yen is under pressure on the 5 minute. Let me go to the hour. Yeah. Well, hey, we see something. It didn't like being down there, so it shot back up. But they got a meaning. What do they got going on again? Let's go to it. Monetary policy meeting. That doesn't happen, but that's not gonna be that big of a deal. Oh yeah, let me tell you guys, color coding. The red folders are very important. Those yellow folders are, you know what I'm saying, and the orange folders are kinda important. But we mainly pay attention to the red folder. Look at this inflation data for Canada. That's important. But look what's really important. Fed statement. We're gonna find out. As I reiterate, we're gonna find out if they're gonna move 75 basic points or they're gonna be shaken by the inflation data that we got, which was 8.3. We wanted it to go down a little bit farther, but it didn't. I guess the 75 basic points didn't really yank it down. And the only reason why inflation is down is because of oil. That's fabricated because we've been releasing fake oil, I would say. I mean, it's oil that don't supposed to be on the market, which makes the market go down. Oh man, now that I'm talking about it, them guys got an excuse to raise 100 basic points. And that makes us have an excuse to buy that US dollar like no tomorrow. Let's just see though, we need to wait for confirmation. and it's looking to, it ain't risk on. Let's go to the daily chart. It's not a risk on. Look at this, all red. It's not a risk on. We're not risk on. We're not taking risks. We're not taking risks. We're not using risk assets. Yep, the Aussie dollar's down on the yen. It tells us right there. The NASDAQ will fall on the daily chart. This chart right here, this gonna flip red. I've seen it so many times. I've lost money doing it so many times. So I know for sure. I'm pretty sure of this right here. Yeah. Let me see if the NASDAQ has reversed. Man, this really pisses me off. Yeah, it ain't nothing. But I think I'm about to get ready to shut things down here, guys. Because I'm ready to get ready for the night, for the real session. Alright, I'm ready to see when the Europeans wake up. I really sleep on their timing, man. I've had a lack of sleep lately because I'm away from home. I'm with my family, so they have to. Every time something happens, a feather fall or something, I'm the one that need to be picking up the feather or the leaf or whatever. But oh, we got some strength in it. Okay. Hey, I'm gonna have to see this thing get up here somewhere before I think the NASDAQ. Before we're gonna be at 96. Let me make sure. Let me see if the euro is below parity still. If the euro is still below $1, if the dollar is worth more than the euro, the euro bounced back. It never likes to be below parity. I've noticed that, man, and it's the first time I've ever seen it pill the fart. Nobody has seen the euro less than $1 like that. So, what is this? Oh yeah, I was trying to set up for a sale here. But yeah, man. The euro is super weak. It's ridiculous, man. And what makes the euro so interesting, they're weak in their economy. Like, they're talking about raising rates and they need to get inflation down, but they're going to be taking money from an already bottomed out economy. What's the eurozone? What's they got? I know you can look at the VIX and tell. The volatility index. VIX is up pretty high, but yeah, I'm looking for this to go. That indicates volatility in the market. And, you know, let me look at the daily. Has it been very volatile today? Yeah, not really. Like, I mean, Tesla's doing good, but as far as I'm concerned, oh, I wouldn't touch oil. I wouldn't even trade oil until China, because I'm hearing China's easing their COVID zero lockdowns. So when China eases COVID zero lockdowns, they're gonna need us to what are they gonna need us to do? They're gonna need us to buy less oil because more oil is gonna be going over there. So they're gonna have to make the prices a little bit higher to curb us from actually wanting to buy a lot of gas. So I'm looking for oil to pop back up around 90 some. It was alright around 90. It was stable around $90 per barrel. I'm looking at it to pop back up there, gain another $5. Because it did all of this falling off too. It was falling from before, but it fell off when China announced that they were shutting down one of its 5 biggest cities or whatever. Xi Jinping, he also met with Vladimir Putin. He pretty much he grabbed Vladimir Putin's hand and said, "Stop bullying people." He said, "Don't do it no more." That's what he said. He expressed concerns over his, like I said, over his bulliness. That was a big blow for Vladimir Putin. After he left that meeting, he went home and started bombing them folks so bad. He was so mad, man. I know he took it out on Ukraine, man. He went home and ordered them to bomb him. He bombing civilians. Alright? I'm not gung-ho to go to war with Russia, right? I just rather him just be cool, man. Stop trying to take Europe for yourself. Alright? And let your people, Vladimir Putin won't even let his people have internet. Let them people Google stuff, man. Google what a piece of crap he is. He won't let them see it. But whatever. We're happy with gold. We want gold to go down. We want it. please go down. We're not trading this, no trade zone, but please go down or continue to go down, because my people is happy, are happy. My people are happy. But one last look at the let's get an overall sentiment, because I'm getting ready to break it down, guys. Let's look at the NASDAQ on the daily chart. We have popped. Let me see. We have popped. Let me get off of this one, man. I don't like that one. That's some bullshit I was just looking at, bro. That's some whole other stuff. But the NASDAQ is pretty trickled down. It's at a pretty good stopping point. This will flip bearish today. We are gonna erase all of our gains from yesterday, I'm pretty sure. But that's a good bull flag, but I feel like it's a false flag. We'll see if I'm wrong though. If you're gonna trade, you know what I mean, I will go short if I could. We're at a pretty good, we're at a nice buying zone, but with the Fed meeting tomorrow, I'm not even excited to even trade the NASDAQ unless I'm going short. I'm not excited to trade it. I'm buying it right now. No, we gotta wait until, let me show y'all. I'm telling you right now, we need to wait until this. We need to wait till after this. Before you think about anything optimistic, we need to wait until that. Because that's gonna tell us, alright? That's gonna tell us how it's gonna go down. So with that being said, that's the same. That's with NASDAQ. That's with Bitcoin as well. Bitcoin already showed his hand. Bitcoin is already red. Well, we already know it's gonna hover around here, and when it get too far down here, it's gonna shoot back up and stabilize again, like it did. Ooh, it touched pretty far down. 18. I was on stream when it was doing this, man, and you guys seen the disgust in my face. Yep. Mrs. Clark, I'm telling y'all, Mrs. Clark could tell y'all something. Let's see here. Let's look at the Great Britain pound versus the yen. It used to be my favorite pair, but during the time of turmoil, I learned to stay away from it because I'm not gung-ho to go out and buy the Japanese yen. I'm not that good of a trader, man. But yesterday, the day before yesterday, it's finna be another bloodbath though. When you see this, you already know the NASDAQ just hadn't opened yet. That's why it ain't folded. This is showing us what's finna get ready to happen, man. GBP, JPY, I'm so bearish on it. Let me see where I can get you a good entry level point at. A good entry point. Oh, yeah, let me get I'm finna go and sum this up, man. Because I actually supposed to been gone.
That's what happens when you're having a good time.
Yeah, I'm making too much. Having too much fun with y'all, man. The pound is bouncing off this rejection, but as you guys can see, fiddle fart land. Don't trade this right here, guys. Hey, this is a good zone, and this is a good time to get you in a short right now. If you get it up here somewhere, you can sell this thing. Think it's gonna drop on down some. But this right here, no trade zone. Either you buy down here or you sell up here. Alright. Now, weakness versus weakness. Euro versus the yen. The euro has been pumping, but hey, I'm still, you heard me, who name I've been talking about? It started with a V. Vladimir Putin. Point blank. He is the reason why the euro must fall. All that right there, I see that being erased. Alright? Put on your glasses. Put on your headquarters profit glasses. We see that being erased right there. So, man, why am I saying go short, man? I'm saying go short. Ether. The merge. Ether merged with somebody. What did they merge with? Beacon chain or some shit? Whatever. Yeah, it dropped after the merge, but this is after the merge. It's down, what, 0.5%? Down 0.5% on the day. It bounced back. It fell to the floor, man. It bounced back. I wonder will it fall again. Who's optimistic about Ether? Who's optimistic about Ethereum? I mean, you got the traders. We still got to use Bitcoin and stuff. So like, I mean, it's not just gonna go nowhere. But as far as investing, it's a useful tool. But like as an investment, I'm looking to go. I want to go short at this level though, cause it got a little bit of more fiddle farting to go. But yeah, Dogecoin, the Elon Musk, man, he brutalized us. And look, Dogecoin ain't doing nothing. Let me go to you. How many days have Dogecoin done nothing, man? We can count them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You get the picture. Look at all of these days of no movement. Dogecoin is virtually untradeable, guys. The AUD USD pair. Let's go to the daily chart. Oh man, it tried to shoot up, but as you guys can see, you guys studied your chart. You guys studied your cheat sheet, right? Your candle cheat sheet. What is that? Wick indicate. Well, this wick indicated it'll shoot back up. But hey, what time? That's why we need to know. That's why you watch the news. If you wouldn't be watching the news, you would think that this was a flag for this thing to shoot up to the moon. Man, I'm telling you right now, technical analysis is important, but always keep your nose in the news and make sure you know what's going on, guys. That'll save you. But yep, boom. We got pressure on Australian dollar. Oh man, the yen is stronger than the dollar as we speak. Oh man, I ain't even checked my trade. I just said the yen is stronger than the dollar as we speak, and I just bought the USD versus the yen. I just shot myself, guys. That ain't cool. Let's see. I mean, I feel like this gonna go down. Now I ain't got no alert or nothing yet though. So let's see if I'm still in the trade. I need that. Shit. Oh, excuse my language. Hey guys, we so close to getting stopped out. Oh man, we finna get stopped out. Like, man, a couple of my trades keep getting stopped out. That's why I hadn't been holding, guys. It's hard to hold in this time. Even when you're right, you're wrong, man. I was just right. Now I'm wrong. Well, now I'm back even. So whatever. This'll be cool. I won a little bit of bread. We paid some. Paid a bill or two. Paid a little light bill. Somebody light bill. But oh, look at this. Look past the hour. This thing trying to stop me out, y'all. All that talking. Yeah, the euro pumping too. See, you know, I'm not even comfortable. I'm not comfortable with the euro being. Hey, yeah, man. I want to short this thing, man. Cause it keep yo-yoing. Like, you know, when you gotta. When it's that time and you really gotta go and you ain't able to get to that restroom, tend to yo-yo. All right, this thing yo-yo from parity back up and down. It doesn't like being parity, and parity is when $1 equals €1. It hates it. It hates it, man. This is all the Fed news. It absolutely hates it. So, hey, tomato, guys. We're short on the euro. We don't really have any European news. We don't have an excuse to be optimistic. When Ukraine was whipping on those guys, everybody was like, woohoo, woo! And I just knew, like, deep down, man, Vladimir got nukes. You can't, having nukes is like me running up with a slingshot and you got a bazooka. Alright? That's what Ukraine got, a slingshot. And hey, David versus Goliath though. Need God for them. They need God. Cause Poon got nukes. But look, we seeing it. But I'm ready for that fall. Look at, if you guys study your candles, this wick indicated a fall, and it fell. So I'm expecting continuation, guys. Get in a short if you want to, but we're gonna be back at 3 a.m. Eastern time. I'm gonna be broadcasting from another location though. But yeah, this right here what we're gonna be looking out for. This is the big deal right here, guys. This right here what determines. This right here what determines what's in your bank account. This what determines how much that apple costs and how much your Pampers cost at Walmart. Alright? So we'll be seeing, and I'm gonna keep you guys posted. My next video Well, I'm gonna be long again during the London session because it's a session. I'm not just gonna be making a prediction. We're gonna actually be watching the market tonight. So, market watch. All right. Thank you guys for tuning in to the headquarters. We're live from Rush College at the Bloomberg terminal. This is surveillance. It's not Bloomberg surveillance, but this is surveillance. Thank you guys so much for showing up. You can be what you want to be. Work hard, grind hard, invest in yourself. Then let's invest in the market. And that's when you take that next step, guys. But thank you so much. Y'all take it easy out there. And I'll see y'all around 3 o'clock. We gonna see what happens. Oh, let me check before I check and see if I got stopped out. Ooh. Yeah, that right there look good. That's how you fall out your chair, boy. Yep. So whatever. I'm not sure if y'all got off the stream and took a trade. I don't know. I got a few guys that watch me overseas and whatnot, so y'all boys probably still holding. They some risk takers over there. Us in America, we don't really know nothing about Forex. We just know what new shoes coming out, whatnot, what new video game, 2K and all that. You know what I'm saying? We don't really too much care about U.S. currencies or any foreign currencies, but I ain't gonna fuss too bad. Y'all get up, y'all have a good one, all right? Thank y'all all for tuning in, and I appreciate everybody. I'm just here to help y'all. I'm just here to show you guys what I do. I don't want your money. I don't want nothing. I just want your view. Thank you so much.